Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Holographic Unicornicopia nails, and everything will be listed down below. I got a fast drying base coat. It's by Revlon, and of course Revlon Unicornicopia shade in their new holographic line that is, I don't know when it came out. Some Moyra foil stamping polish and some UV gel top coat, or a regular top coat if you don't have gel polish. And the holographic foil I will be using for my unicorns. Of course, here is the plate that I will be stamping the unicorn design off of, and the Queen Celebration Fireworks Festival. If you don't have this plate or the generic plate, then you can grab any flower or organic shape that you have, water marble, anything that represents flowers like paisleys will work fabulous with this design. And or if you don't have any unicorns, then if you have cupcakes, or I don't know, maybe some typography like bubbly letters or the like would really work wonderful, and of any sizes. So if you have shorter nails or nubs, then you can, like I used to, you can definitely modify this nail design. I really recommend it. This polish just says it all. It ties everything together. So you don't need to go online. There's no shipping and handling. If you have a drugstore and you live in the States, you can go to your local grocery store that carries polish, or drugstore, and hopefully they carry this line. I just found this, and I want to get fairy dust. It's like a light blue and pink galaxy, but the formula is phenomenal. I am going to go over it twice. You don't really need to, so you can like build up color, or take the color down a notch if you want more of a pastel color for spring, say. Then this is beautiful. I love this polish. There's quite a few quite a few colors in this line. When I was at the store, I saw probably around 6 or 7 different polishes, and there's like a light blue-green one, a pink one, this one, and I don't remember, I think like a lighter pink, like a gold and silver. So I know that when I started watching YouTube videos and I didn't have the things that the YouTuber, the creator had, I would modify the nail design and I would switch it up a little bit and make it my own. But yeah, just use what you have. I'm totally encouraging whatever you have. I got this polish Oui by Marc Jacobs at TJ Maxx, and I haven't had a chance to use this polish. I got it in the summertime, so I'm really glad to finally get it out and work with it. I cannot wait to show you guys how I build it up with the glitters and it is such a beautiful base for glitters, as this Unicornicopia. Yeah, so I don't have a lot of indie polishes. So when I see polishes like of this quality, I pick them up, and I have, mind you, like 200 bottles of nail polish at home, and they're strictly non-UV, regular store brand polishes, and I have very like 1 to 2. I don't have any indie polishes, I don't believe. So you know, I don't know, I hold back with the shipping and handling, but you know, Five Below or drugstores that sell this quality polish, yeah, I'm all over it. the Moyra foiling glue. I've been wanting that for, like, since it came out. I've been wanting to snag some of it, and I went online, and it's a $15 shipping and handling for me in the States. So if you don't have it and you really would like to consider purchasing this Moyra foil glue, I would wait till you can get some more items, so make it worthwhile. I ended up getting a stamping plate and extra pigment powders, and came with pigment powders in the box in the foiling kit. And I got extra foiling papers, like this holographic foil that I will be using on my unicorn stamping art. This is such a beautiful pop of pink. Oh my gosh, I love this color. I really didn't want to dress it up. Nice shimmer. So that's what they look like without the designs, but I love the dressed up version, so I will continue with Itsy Bitsy from Sally Hansen and Sweet Dreams. And this is like a mix of purple and pink hexes with a pink jelly. So I'm gonna show you a little bit how it looks like in the bottle, like how it goes down the bottle, and then I'm gonna start applying. I go over the whole, almost the whole base with a thin coat, and then I will like build up the glitter up that way from there. But this is like a match made in heaven. It amplifies the jelly tint, really amplifies the base. It turns into like an HD version of pink. So much better. It's got some glitter on there, and then I'm gonna stamp now with the Moyra and my foils, the unicorn. And that piece, that was like the ripped edge. I ended up ripping it, and I'm gonna use it. You don't waste this stuff, you guys. It's way too much to just throw away. I will use every nook and cranny of that little piece of paper. So with my stamper, it picks up like it's supposed to. First shot. You want to go down, because these squishy stampers, if you roll, it'll stretch out the image. Don't roll. Just plop that stamper right on the image and plop it onto your nails. Line it up the way I did. She turned out good. The unicorn. And then you're supposed to wait 15 to 20 seconds. I would not wait 15 to 20 seconds. I went right in. I'm struggling on here. But nonetheless, I get the most important part for the foil is the top parts of the nail. Like that's where the light is hitting. So I really need that part to be able to shift with the colors. And wearing it the same. Okay, so I'm wearing it the next day, and it's still really nice. I mean, when it's not in the light, you can't see it as well, but I can see some kind of foil effects happening. But when I'm in the light and my nails are under light, you can see the holographic foil, and it's really pretty. I really like this technique, and I really think it's worth the money. It adds something very special, just that very nice touch that you can't get anywhere else, that will make everyone around you be like, okay, how did you do that? So I thought it was worth the $15 shipping, and I just got a few extra stuff that I really would have rather have not bought. But $15, I'm like, okay, let me kind of buy up some stuff, and then I won't have to go back to the website for another while. So I'm gonna get my Queen Celebration Fireworks collection plate, and This is a beautiful plate. I got it for Christmas, so it's been a year. I have not used it yet. And that image is the rose with the feathers coming out, flaring out, is really, really beautiful. I want that on my entire thumb. And I think I'm using too much of the, I don't think I need that much, but on the flip side, if I don't, you know, I don't think the image would turn out as clear. So, you know, I would be a little bit generous because you want that image to stamp as it should, again, and line it up. So try to point your nail to yourself and hold the stamper like so you can still see the bottom, and line it up if you need to. So if you don't have any, line it up as you need to. So if you don't have any clear stampers, you can line things up that way. And so I kind of missed the edge there, and I was able to stamp the rest onto the tip. Get a close-up shot to see me foil on the holo onto my unicorn for my Unicornicopia nails. And I'm not being so graceful, but the thumb was a lot better to work with than my middle nail. And it's beautiful. I mean, like, it's not covering up, and I was disappointed at first, and I almost went over it again. But I think off camera and not shooting a video, I would have been a little bit more comfortable and not so nervous. I still get nervous doing these videos for you guys. I don't get paid or anything, and I still get a little worked up and flustered. So, you know, I'm just like wanting to get every square inch of that nail covered in the holographic foil. So here I went over with that lavender glitter over my finger because I smudged it. So I'm just showing you, like, hey, this is what I did. So if you see extra glitter on my nail, you won't know where that glitter came from. You don't want to do that, like add extras off camera and then come back on camera and continue with the nail design. So there's this beautiful love written on the plate, and when I get that on my nail, and because my nails are long enough, I'm able to get almost the entire word. And I was able to get the love written or stamped partially, which is, here I'm regretting that I didn't use my other stamper, but a happy mistake is about to happen because I was able to line up that bad boy right where it was supposed to, and now that nail is a lot more stronger with the line work in that color, in that hand, than my other thumb. And I will show you at the end. I'll do like a comparison. You'll see, like, my other hand looks faded, and I wish I would have went over my other hand. So now I have this beautiful flower, and I really want that on my thumb. And I'm going to place the Swarovski crystal in the middle. I messed up the first time, so I'm going to go over it again because I tried using a clear stamper because I really like using my clear stampers. I don't know why they're working. They're not working, you guys. I don't know why. So I was able to line it up. I really don't like it when the center of the flower is not centered on the center of my nail, unless if I don't want it centered, then it's okay, like offset to the side. But I love getting that image on there. And so I'm gonna go over with little Ondine to protect the foil, because if you use regular top coat, that foil is going to disintegrate, like I accidentally did on my other hand. My pointy index finger is like scattered hollow now. It's white with scattered hollow because I went over it with, I completely forgot. I'm like, wait, I have little Ondine. I better get my water-based top coat. And there's not many out on the market. That one is like $9 on Amazon, and I think I got free shipping. But for the rest of the nails, I'm gonna go over it with Northern Lights. And this ties everything together. I'm like going to use Northern Lights, I think, until it's all done. I really like all that sparkle, and so finally built it up on my index finger to get the crystals on, and I'm going to use my brush on nail glue, which works great, but I want to make sure. Now I really recommend you guys getting into gels as far as crystal placements and top coats, because this is going to get you out the door, and I mean instantly. And you can use like gel builder to like place those crystals if you don't want to use a glue, because like I wish I kind of didn't use the gel topper because it does affect the crystals a little bit, but UV gel top coat is a lot better than no top with the regular top coat. The crystal will lose its. So here's I'm just showing the Seche Vite. Like you can use Seche Vite and just make sure you go around the crystals. If you have Seche Vite and you don't have UV gel, you can still do this design, but I'm just using my gel polish and going over the entire manicure so I get no chips. This is the final result, and wow, they are really nice. This is my version of unicorn nails, my first unicorn nails. Look, and there's a comparison, very big difference. And so this completes my holographic unicornicopia nail design. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much for watching and hanging around for watching any bit of my video. I will see you guys in the next video next week, so stay tuned, and if you have not already, click on that bell so you get notified. Do not miss another video. I love you guys, and hang in there. Have a wonderful week. Bye.